Bala's Journal Summer Special Series. Hi friends, welcome to Bala's Journal. Today we are going to make a healthy milkshake, an apple and dates milkshake. Now let's go on to the ingredients. First of all, we need 1 chopped up apple, and you need 2 dates soaked up in water for half an hour. Dates already has enough sweet, but if you guys want more sweet, you guys can add sugar. And then we also need a cold glass of milk. First of all, let's take our apple and soaked dates and put it in the blender, so then it'll turn into a fine paste. First, take your blender, then add your chopped up apples, then add your soaked dates. Now we're going to blend it. After that, it will turn into a fine paste. Now our apple and dates have turned into a fine paste. Yes. Now we're going to take our cold glass of milk and add it into the blender and blend it again. Blend it again. Wait. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to blend it again. Now our healthy apple and dates milkshake is ready. Now let's pour it into the jug. Now our healthy apple and dates milkshake is ready. If you guys want more chill, you guys can add ice cubes. If you guys think this apple and dates milkshake looks yummy, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.